Teach Me TV, we are back again with another exciting video for you. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today, we want to discuss the what high-income skills you should learn or add to your money-making arsenal. We know that life can get in the way of either going back to school or just simply learning something new. There can be many distractions and obstacles to deter you from your objective. This is where discipline and building a habit ritual comes into play. Habits are what determine your future. Build enough of a consistent habit and the sky is the limit. Now you might be asking yourself, do I have what it takes to learn a high-income skill? Or do I already have one and not even know it? All valid questions that I want to answer in this video. So make sure you watch this to the end, so you won't miss out on that idea that could spark your growth to financial freedom. Let's go. The first skill is writing. Yes, writing. Whether you are a believer, you learn how to write by writing. Think about that for just a few seconds. Writing brings more clarity to a topic, unlike talking your words and expressions to describe what you have in mind. It also helps build structure when communicating effectively. This is why companies search for this skill. Just think about running a copywriting company to write scripts, blogs, articles, etc. Writing is something you can start practicing right now, or every day if possible. But don't just write. Find people to critique you. You'll never know how good or bad your writing is until you hear how other people understand it. One surefire way to become a better writer is to critique your writing. Embrace the feedback from it, and you'll grow. This is an easy extra $3,000 a month if you are serious. The second skill is a project manager. Project executives, aka project managers, are undeniable. Their level of expertise that deals with arranging and executing projects, fulfilling both time constraints and spending plans. The abilities you acquire as a project manager can take your profession anyplace, from promoting to IT, so there are a lot of chances out there for the people who need to invest the energy to learn. Take, for instance, you already have some leadership responsibilities at your place of work anyway. Take that opportunity to fine-tune your skills that you can use to promote yourself doing other jobs, sort of like freelancing. I talked about that in another video. You can hit the link in the upper right corner of your screen. Look for opportunities to show that you're thinking through planning, funding, and other aspects of a project. People who can manage projects often move into leadership positions in any organization. If that is what you are looking for, this is a skill you need. Doing this will assure that you are bringing and showcasing your skills to the market so that you can grab your piece of this $600 billion industry. The third skill is a digital marketer. This skill covers a wide range of talents, so many people think it's just one particular skill. On the contrary, it is a combination of multiple tasks and strategies. Here is the full definition for those who might still be confused. Digital marketing, the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach consumers. That means, however you reach those masses through content creation and posts, tweet feeds, photos, etc. This can be used to generate income streams if you do this correctly. Many of you are already doing this and not realizing the vast opportunity. Knowledge is a tremendous asset. You should never stop learning no matter what stage of life you are in. Never stop learning unless you willingly choose to do so. Digital marketing targets a specific segment of the customer base and is interactive. Digital marketing is here to stay and includes search result ads, email ads, and promoted tweets. Anything that incorporates marketing with customer feedback or a two-way interaction between the company and customer. The fourth skill is the art of selling. Selling abilities are sought after and paid for since they're significant for everybody, from representatives to supervisors. Conveying your thoughts and prevailing upon individuals is essential expertise in any association. In any case, selling doesn't mean turning into a salesperson. The most effective method to master or further develop your selling abilities, finding out about the brain science of influence, can assist you with getting what inspires individuals and assist you with selling better. If selling is something that comes naturally to you, this is by far one of the top tier of the high-income skills. The fifth skill is video production. Video creation and editing are high effective and in very high demand. With web traffic turning increasingly more to video, this ability is an immense resource to have in your back pocket. The most effective method to acquire video creation abilities. Online courses cover everything from utilizing the right stuff to altering top-notch video. I have that resources for you in the description below. Hit the link now to join the webinar and get started. If your company wants to create a high-impact marketing campaign or other high-demand, high-impact task, you can use your video editing skills to add value. Even if your job title isn't video editor, look for opportunities to pitch in. You might also look for marketing or storytelling jobs where your video editing skills would be an asset. You may be shocked at the amount you can gain from great recordings on YouTube as well. I've made a couple of videos concerning how I make money online and strategies you can use today. The links are below in the description. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We hope you have a better understanding what a high income skill is, also how you can benefit from learning one or using what you know already. Then, to take it to the next level. Thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.